What's up guys, I'm George LaHoffentan, Maker's Best Friend. I'm going to show you how we made this dog food bowl holder for the new Maker's Best Friend Ruby. It also has a hidden storage inside, so if you lift this up, you can store all the dog leashes and everything inside the actual box. Check it out. To start off, we're going to cut down some 2x4s and pieces of 1/2-inch plywood to make up the legs, top, bottom, and sides for the holder. I used a table saw to square up all of the pieces. It's also important to ensure that the top piece is large enough for the two bowls you're using. I used some wood glue and pocket screws to attach the sides to the legs, and when attaching these together, I laid the piece on a flat piece of cardboard I had laying around so that the sides will be slightly off from the legs and give it a nicer look. A quick tip for measuring out the circles is to grab a piece of cardboard you have laying around and create 2 holes that measure out the radius of your circle. Then use a screwdriver in one hole positioned at the center of the circle and a pencil in the other hole, and you'll be able to draw out a perfect circle. To give the top piece a cleaner look, I cut 45-degree angles along all of the edges using a table saw. I also cut out some small strips that I could screw into the top piece to center it when being inserted into the frame. This is necessary since I'm making the top removable to allow for storage. Next, I wanted to add a personal touch to this piece, and I also wanted to see how much of a fan Ruby was of CNC. Sorry sport, not a treat. I used the CNC to mill out Ruby's name, and then went back and filled this in with some white epoxy. Then, I finished everything off with some poly spray, and I was all done. Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you hit the like button. Especially if you like it as much as Ruby. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And if you guys had any questions or comments, make sure you comment below. As always, thanks again for watching, guys.